Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a question from geometry. This question also came in RMO exam 2015. The question is, let ABC be a triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let I be the incenter of triangle ABC. Let AI extend BC in F. Draw a line perpendicular to AI at I. Let it intersect AC in E. So what we need to prove? We need to prove IE is equal to IM. Now I am going to give solution of this question. Now, what are given? It is given that I is in center, this I is in center, and angle BAI, this angle BAI, this is A by 2. And what about angle IAE? This is also A by 2. Why these two angles are equal to angle A by 2? Because I is in center, and we know that in center bisect the angle. And what about angle ABI? This angle ABI and this angle is 45 degree, and this is again equal to how much? This is 45 degree. Why these two angles are 45 degree? Because I is in center and total angle is 90 degree. And what about angle AIE? Angle AIE is 90 degree. It is given. Now I am doing construction. What construction I am doing? I am simply extend EI such that it meet CB at D. Now, we simply extend EI such that it meets CB at D here. Now, let us suppose this angle is theta. Angle BAD is theta. What about this angle? Angle AID is equal to 90 degree. This angle is also equal to 90 degree because we have simply extend EI. Now what about this angle? This is how much? This angle is also 90 degree. Angle ABD is how much? Again this angle is 90 degree. So what about this angle? This is 90 degree plus theta, because this angle is external angle. Angle ADD dash is external angle. So what can we say? Angle ADD dash is equal to angle ABD plus angle BAD. So this is how much? ABD is 90 degree and BAD is theta, 90 degree plus theta. Now again, in triangle AID, what about angle ADI? ADI. What can we say? Angle ADI is how much? 90 degree minus A by 2 minus angle A by 2 minus theta, because angle AID, this is right angle triangle, and angle AID is how much? This is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree AID, and this is A by 2 plus theta. So this is what? This angle is 90 degree minus A by 2 minus theta. Now, what about angle ADD dash plus angle BDI plus angle ADI. Angle ADD dash plus angle ADI plus angle BDI. This is how much? This angle is 180 degrees. See, why this is 180 degree? ADD dash. This is linear pair ADD dash plus ADI. This is ADI and BDI. This is 180 degree. So what can we say? ADD dash is 90 degree plus theta BDI plus angle ADI. ADI is 90 degree minus angle A by 2 minus theta is equal to 180 degree. So what can we find? This theta will get cancelled out. 90, 90, 180 cancel out. So angle BDI is how much? This angle is equal to A by 2. So angle BDI is equal to A by 2. So this angle is equal to BDI is equal to A by 2. Now, can we say ADBI is a cyclic quadrilateral? So what can we say? ADBI is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why this is a cyclic quadrilateral? Because angle ABD is same as angle AID. Is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABD is same as angle AID is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is 90. And what about angle BDI? Angle BDI is same as angle BAI is equal to angle A by 2. So by the diagram it is clear. Now it is clear from this diagram. This angle ABD is equal to angle AID. This is 90 degree, and angle BDI is same as BAI. This is A by 2. Now what can we say? What is this angle? This is 45 degree because I is in center. So what can be said? If this angle is 45 degree, angle ABI is same as angle ADI 45 degree. So from this figure, it is clear. Angle ABI is same as angle ADI. This is how much? This is equal to 45 degree. Angle ABI is same as angle ADI. This is how much? This is 45 degree. Why this is 45 degree? Because I in center, angle ABI and angle ADI is 45. Now in triangle ADI, what can we conclude? Because this is right angle triangle, right angle AID is right angle triangle, angle I is 90 degree. So what can we conclude? We conclude AI is equal to ID, because this is 45 degree. So AI is equal to ID because 90, 45 degree triangle. So AI is equal to ID. So from this figure, this AI is equal to ID. This is ID. Now in triangle AID and triangle AIE, AID in triangle AID, in triangle DIF and AIE. In this triangle DIF and AIE, what we find? We find ID is equal to AI. Angle DIF is same as angle AIE. This same as angle AIE. This how much? 90 degree, and this is DIF is same as, and angle IDF is same as angle IAE. This is how much? This angle is equal to angle A by 2 that we have calculated earlier. So what can we say? We can say that triangle DIF is congruent to triangle AIE. So what we say finally? Finally we say IE is equal to IF. So that we need to prove. So this is the solution. Hope you understand the solution and enjoy the video. Thank you and see you in next video.